Just oil.
Where do you put the oil?
The oil fill.
Mm. What are you videoing?
I'm just filming this thing. Alright, now this gasket.
That's a gasket?
Yep.
I thought it was some rubber part.
Nope.
That's thin. She ruined that gasket.
Well, I had to take this part off to remove that seal.
Mm.
So, to answer your question, in a way, she ruined it.
Mm.
Because it gets, once they get heated up, you know, they're there.
Mhm. Don't you have to replace your gaskets once a year? Or?
No. You only need to replace them if they start leaking.
Mm.
The ones that are on here are all original. This mower's many years old.
Mm.
Okay, let's I think that's probably about a 10 now. Go get me all of the sockets off the kitchen table.
Okay. Okay. Done.
Okay. Thank you.